Integration. Integration is a part of calculus. Now, integral, what is the use of integration? This will be learning. Before you learn the use of integration, it's very important that you understand the basic formulas. So these are the list of formulas that I have written. Anytime before the exams, revise this formula list and you'll be able to, few of the formulas there in your formula booklet, but not all. And I was saying that you need to revise the formula as well. Now your integral, this is the symbol for integration, integral with respect to x. So whenever you put integral, this integral dx will always be there. It simply tells you that the variable is x. That's what you need to remember. There's nothing special about that. So basically you have to look at this as your function. So in this case, k is a constant. So integral of a constant, if k is a constant, integral of constant is kx. So example, if it's 2, integral of 2 is 2x plus c. Now, is important and compulsory to write plus c whenever you're integrating. This is because integration is nothing but antiderivative. So if you take the derivative of this function, you'll get back the original k. So if you had to take the derivative of this, so if you want to take the derivative of this, so derivative of k is kx is k and derivative of constant is 0. So you get back here. Integral of x raised to n, where n is some number like x square, x cube, is x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So example, if it's integral of x square, so if they ask you integral of x square with respect to x, so it will be simply x cube over 3 plus c. That's how you write the answer. So I'll be making more videos on how to use each of these formulas. Integral of sine x is minus cos x. Remember that derivative of sine x was cos x, so integral of sine x is minus cos x. Integral of cos x is sine x. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x, because the derivative of e raised to x was e raised to x. What is derivative of ln x? Derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So when you integrate 1 over x, your answer is ln x. Integral of 1 over cos square x is tan x. Now this formula is not there in your formula booklet. So what I'm putting cross, those formulas are not there in your formula booklet. Other formulas are there. These formulas are not there in your formula booklet. You have to use your common sense and use them. So these are the formulas that you need to learn up. Now again, this is not there in the formula booklet, but in the formula booklet, they've given you the derivative of tan x. The derivative of tan x is 1 over cos square x. Therefore, the integral of 1 over cos square x will be tan x. A linear function raised to n. Now this matches exactly according to this. So this was only x. This was only x. But suppose if you have a linear function, it's a composite function. So this is called the general power rule. So integral of ax plus b raised to n is ax plus b raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1. You always need to divide by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is a, so you need to divide by the coefficient of x. This is because you're doing the reverse of the chain rule. The whole idea is that you're doing reverse of the chain rule. So now sin x. So suppose if you have a composite function of sin ax plus b, the integral is minus cos ax plus b, and what is the coefficient of x? A. So you divide by a. Integral of cos ax plus b, sin ax plus b upon a. Plus c always is. I'm not going to say this because you need to always write plus c. Integral of e a raised to x plus b is e ax plus b upon a. You always have to divide by the coefficient of x. Integral of 1 over linear function. This is a reciprocal function. So this was a reciprocal function where you had just 1 over x. But suppose you have 1 over a linear function. That's ln ax plus b 1 over a. See how this matches 1 to 1. So these formulas are matching 1 to 1. Please understand that these formulas are matching 1 to 1. And therefore it becomes easier to remember. Integral of 1 over cos square ax plus b is tan ax plus b over a plus c. You need to divide by the coefficient of x. I have done more videos on each of these formulas. Before any examination, please go through this video so that you'll revise your whole integration and you'll know the formulas.